The GDM-8341 is true RMS benchtop multimeter that meets measurement requirements for manufacturing process, educational experiments and testing facilities. It comes with a safety manual, GTL-207A test leads, EU power cord and a CD which includes a user manual, USB driver and a PC software. It has a dual high-quality 5-digit vacuum fluorescent display which allows the main measurements and an auxiliary one to be displayed at once to save your time. It can measure AC voltage, DC voltage, AC current, DC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, period, and perform diode and continuity tests. It also includes dB and dBm, as well as minimum, maximum, relative, hold, compare, and math. At the rear panel, the GDM-8341 has fuse and power cord sockets, USB port for remote control, and a calibration port. For more information, follow the link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it as much as we did, hit the subscribe button. To be notified when the new videos arrive, ring the bell.